Hey everyone, it's Murray Fife here. Now, today I thought I'd create a quick video on um, a presentation technique that I also stole from Sergie from I talked about yesterday. And this is actually going out and using PowerPoint and overlaying the um, demonstration that I'm performing so that I have sort of like a picture-in-picture inside of my presentation, along with steps that I'm stepping through, so I can do sort of like a tell, show, tell presentation of what I'm working on. So I thought I'd show you how I set this up, and then hopefully this will be interesting to you all. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use OBS for all of this, so I'll show you all the mechanics behind that. So let me start off, and I'll just show you what to do. So what I've got is I've got this PowerPoint, and this is I'm trying to show sort of like a customer journey through some of the items that I'm setting up here. In this case, in asset management, and I've got my personas here, and I've got a journey that I'm moving through. But what I've done is, as I move through this PowerPoint, then I've got all of the steps in this particular journey listed out as additional pages. And this is good because it sort of gives me an idea of what I want to do with this view. Now, so when I go out and look at this, if I start the slideshow, and I'll start it from here, then we'll see that I've got my slideshow that pops up, and then I've say I'm going to do a demo, and then I'm going through these pages. Now, this in itself looks a little bit bland until I show you what I can do next. So what I've got here is I'm in OBS, and what I've done is I've gone out and I've created a scene. And so this is the PowerPoint that I'm showing, but I've created another one which uses the PowerPoint as a background, and then I've got my my demo here that I'm running. So what happens is that whenever I make any changes to the demo, then it's going to be reflected here inside of this view automatically, which is the cool thing. So when I present this, then what the customer is going to see is they're going to see this. They're going to see the journey map that I have. They're going to see the demo placeholder to queue everything up. And then what they're going to see is they're going to see this. And the benefit of it is that this is now a live presentation. So within this PowerPoint, I can go out and I can access any of this information that I've got, and then drill into any of the details, and then even go out to back to my homepage and queue up other information. And I'm showing this directly here within the PowerPoint. So what I've got is I've got my virtual machine overlaying a PowerPoint that's then allowing me to perform my demo on the virtual machine that I'm running, and I think it looks pretty cool because it's got all the different steps in there. So this was just a quick presentation, a very cool presentation hack that we can do using PowerPoint and OBS, and sort of overlay a lot of things and start to give the customers, as you're going through a presentation, sort of an idea where you are in the process. So I think I'll just sign off and hope that this is an interesting sort of topic for you all.